Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a super exciting video for you. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video from Social Network Solutions. You guys know, if you've been around here for a while, that I do these quite often actually, and they're always a lot of fun. So they've sent me over a load of stuff from their brands, which I am gonna open with you, which hopefully it'll put me in a better mood, because I am coming down with a cold, I'm ill, I'm breaking out, I've got a cold sore. The light is absolutely horrendous today, but we're just gonna have to work with it. The sun keeps on going in and out behind the clouds, but I'm filming today. Today's filming day. I haven't got another day to film, so I am gonna jump straight into all this stuff. There's the light again, great. So I've been sent over this massive box of goodies. This is honestly huge, and I've got a little note with it. It says, "Dear Kate, we're so excited to have you be part of our beauty box hamper. We hope you like it and enjoy showcasing some amazing brands. All gifts come complete with a direct link, and some even have exclusive promotional codes for your followers. Don't forget to take a look at our website so that you can see all the exciting campaigns we've been involved in, as well as the new events and campaigns coming soon. Love from the SNS team." So first up, from Glam Doll, I have a little note from them. It says, "Dear Kate, we're delighted for you to try our GD Rose Complete 15-piece brush set." Yes, I love me some brushes. They are made with super soft Taclon fibres and feature a black birchwood handle and rose gold aluminium ferrule. You can never have too many brushes, can you? Look at these. I really like the black and rose gold handles. I think they look very smart, so thank you very much. I'm so excited to use these. I love new brushes. And there's a mixture of face brushes and eye brushes in here as well, which is great. Next up, from Seoulista Beauty, I've got a few face masks, and it says, "Dear Kate, welcome to Seoulista Beauty. We hope you like our instant facials. Please do read the instructions on the back of the instant facials, as they have a double layer. Well, 3 of them do. You need to peel the top one off once on your face. There's a video online on how to do it." That's very helpful. So I have their Brightening Instant Facial. This is a naturally derived coconut mask infused with vitamins C and AHAs. I do like my alpha hydroxy acids, although my skin's been a bit sensitive recently, so I've laid off them, but they are very, very good for exfoliating. So this is an exfoliating and hydrating mask. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Honestly, Mother Nature is not on my side today. We have the Correct Instant Facial Mask. This is perfect for minor breakouts, irritation and redness. That is what I have right now, so I'm going to use this tonight and have a bit of a pamp, because my skin has honestly just, oh, it's been so bad. Like, I don't know what's been going on with it. Actually, I do. I used an SPF and it broke me out so badly last week, and it's taking ages to go away. It's just ridiculous. I was so annoyed because my skin was doing so well, and yeah, it's not at the moment, but hey, hopefully these will help me out. I also have their Super Hydration Mask and their Charcoal Detox Mask as well. How cute is this box? And it's got a little, oh, it's got a card like actually attached to it. It's got a cat on! How cute is that? This is from Navan Skincare, and they've also given you guys a 15% off code, which is Kate15. I will leave all of this information for all of the brands in the description box. So what's in here? I'm excited about this. Oh, there's Starburst in here. Oh wow, thank you so much. I need that today. Oh, I'm so happy. I love Starburst. Most of them are pink ones as well. Oh, I love the pink Starburst. Oh, I'm actually so buzzing about that. So first off, I have their Vitamin C Anti-Aging Serum. This has obviously got vitamin C in. It's also got vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. I am a fan of hyaluronic acid. I really find that it helps to lock in moisture. And I've also got their age-defying moisturising cream and their hyaluronic acid moisturising serum. I'm excited about this. So this is supposed to reduce fine lines and renew collagen production. Oh, next I have the LA Girl Pro Matte HD High Definition Longwear Foundation. You guys know, if you've been here for a few weeks, I've done a full review of this foundation. I actually really like it. I'm happy that they've sent me over this shade, actually, because The shades that I have are for when I'm tanned, so this will go nicely with my skin, I think, when I haven't got tan on. I have some products from Australis, which is a brand that I've never used before, but I remember Lauren Curtis talking about these like way back in the day, and I used to be like, oh, they look so nice on her. So I'm really excited to try some of these products out. I have their banana powder. I do like a banana powder. I also have their contour stick and this demi matte lip cream. This is in like a pinky shade. This looks like such a pretty colour. Ooh, ooh, that is a gorgeous colour. Do you know what that smells like? Specifically, that smells like some strawberry sweets that I got in Disneyland when I was about 7. That is so random, but you know when a scent just takes you back? Oh my gosh, that is mad. I really love the shade as well. I have a couple of products from Pretty Athletic. I've got their Hydration Kick Gel Body Moisturizer with black oats, aloe, vitamin C, zinc and hyaluronic acid. I also have their Workout Glow Hyaluronic Vitamin Tonic. Oh, it's got niacinamide. I hope that's how you pronounce that, but that is great for like blemish prone skin, and rose water as well. So it says before and after you sweat, it's important to keep your skin clean and hydrated. The beautiful rose water tonic enriched with coconut derived cleansers and vital skin nutrients is a super quick way of achieving clean, nourished and hydrated skin in one simple step. Ooh, I'm excited to try these out. They're in really handy little like handbag sizes as well, or gym bag. I mean, whatever you're into. I don't personally go to the gym, so they'll probably end up in my handbag. This one won't. The gel body moisturizer, but this will probably be a really good one for traveling with, I think. Ooh, I've got a couple of products from Eyelash. You guys know I like anything to do with lashes. I'm excited to try these ones out actually. They look so nice and natural. These are their Exaggerate number 141 lashes. A gorgeously lush extra length lash for a stunning look. They look so pretty. I love that the Eyelash lash bands are not very thick, so they're so easy to apply. Ooh, what's this? Blend and Care False Eyelash Blender. Blends natural and false eyelashes together. That is something that I need. I'm always like putting my eyeliner like in between my lashes and my false lashes to try and get rid of that little gap. How much of a bane in your life is that little gap? Oh my gosh. So is this like a mascara? It's got Lucy and Lydia on the front and it says the product us lash lovers have been waiting for. So I'm excited to try this out. It says apply, blend and care to your natural lashes. Next, pop on your false lashes and allow to dry. Reapply, blend and care and you're good to go. I'm actually really excited about this. Next up I have the number 4711. I think that's how you say it. Original Eau de Cologne, and I actually already have this. I absolutely love the smell of it. It is, oh, I don't really want to open this because I've got one open already, but it has a gorgeous floral scent. It's kind of light and it's just lovely for day to day. The one thing about this is that it is kind of like a pour out one, so you kind of have to do that. It doesn't have a spray, which I wish it did because I love just like spraying my perfumes on. But I do still use this. I have been using it for a couple of weeks and I absolutely love the scent. And it's not that expensive either. I don't want to say how much it is exactly because I don't remember, but it's only between like 10 and 15 pounds, I want to say. From Body Scrub, I've got a couple of products here. I've got their Luxe Edition Moon Dust with Mica, I don't know, Sparkle and Jasmine. This is their natural body scrub and I really like a body scrub. I'm actually running out of my one that I've been using, so I'm excited to give this a try. I also have their Matcha and Lime Lip Scrub. This is such a nice size actually. The one that I'm currently using is a little bit chunky, so when I want to travel with it, it just takes up a little bit of space and it's a little bit heavy for my makeup bag, so I like that this is little and dainty, so this will be coming on my travels with me. Next up I've got some products from Plume Hair and Lash Science. So I've got their Lash and Brow Enhancing Serum. Ooh, these are cruelty free, 100% natural, fragrance free. That's so good. So this is their Lash and Brow Enhancing Serum. Ooh, tweezers, always handy. Are they slanted? They've got a little protective thing on the end. which I can't get off. There we go. Yeah, they're slanted. Very handy. Fabulous. I'm always losing my tweezers, so I'm happy about this. Oh yes, I've got their Curl and Lift Lash Curler. I have been after a lash curler and I just haven't got round to buying one. So I'm super excited about this. Yes. Ooh, it's very sleek. It's matte black. Look at that. That's really easy and comfortable to hold as well. Yay, my lashes are going to be on point. And then I've got their Nourish and Define Brow Pomade, which just looks like this. And I have a spoolie and a little angled brush as well to apply it. Very handy. I do like using spoolies just to brush my brows up. I find it very handy. How cute is this little package? It's from Salt Alive. It's got a little butterfly in. That is so cute. So I've got their 3-piece travel set, which includes a Cell Salt infused mineral rich shampoo. I love travel sized products. Honestly, they make me so happy. They come in so handy. I also have their Cell Salt Aloe Juice face and body wash and the Cell Salt Restore mineral rich conditioner. Should we give these a little sniff? The shampoo smells really citrusy. I'm guessing the conditioner probably smells the same. Yeah. It smells like lemon sherbet. That is so nice. And then the Aloe Juice face and body wash. Oh, that's nice. I don't even know what that smells like. It smells a little bit floral but fresh at the same time. I really like that. Next, I've got some products from Patchology. I've got their Flash Mask, which are 5-minute facial sheets. Ooh. Okay, so there's 4 sachets in here. Yeah, I like masks that come in sachets because again you can travel with them and it's just really handy. These are hydrating masks. It's handy that they only take 5 minutes as well. I also have their Restoring Night Eye Gel patches. They're just little patches that you put underneath your eyes. I'm not going to open these because I already have some open and I don't want these to dry out, so I will get back to you on how I get on with these, but I'm excited. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, by the way, if you want to see what kind of skincare that I like, because quite often in my stories I'll show you like my little skincare routines and things and like my pamper routines and the products that I'm using. So if you're interested in that, follow me on Instagram, and also let me know if you'd like me to try these out on my Instagram as well. Then we have the rejuvenating eye gels with caffeine, hydrolyzed collagen and hyaluronic acid. That's what I need. I reckon these ones would be really good to use on a morning. So you just put these basically underneath your eyes for how long? 5 minutes. And they've got like a serum on them which just brightens your eyes up and wakes them up, which is always very handy in the morning. Next, I've got some products from Lick and Lash Beauty. They've sent me a little card. It says, "Hey Kate, we hope you like the palette and pigments. We have a 10% discount code for all your subscribers, which is Kate10. Thank you so much." The pigments look so nice. There's this pink one and there is also a little copper one as well. These look lush. I especially like this copper one. I think this will come in very handy during the summertime. Oh, let's look at this palette. I do like a good palette. What kind of palette are you gonna be? Oh wow, look at these shades. I love these. Oh my gosh, I love this pink. I love this peachy coral. I love this green. I love this blue. Oh my word. This palette excites me on another level. I'm so excited to use this. Oh, I've just found this in the box from Australis. It's a 20% off code for you guys, so that's Kate20, and again it will be linked down below. Next I have these 2 products from Oxygenetix, and it says here that this is the world's most breathable foundation. It says it's loved by celebrities, beauty editors, dermatologists and makeup artists alike. The award-winning Oxygenetix is the ultimate foundation, partnering premium coverage with unsurpassed skin boosting benefits. So apparently it doesn't smudge due to perspiring and it doesn't clog pores, so can be worn whilst exercising. This would be a good one for holidays then. It's water resistant and it doesn't rub off on clothing, and it's 13 times more transfer resistant than other makeup lines apparently. It says it stays on all day, so there's no need to reapply. It's so good for the skin that sleeping in it will not aggravate it. I don't think I'll be trying that one out, so I'm just gonna have to trust you on that one. The thought of sleeping in makeup makes me genuinely anxious. Oil free and fragrance free, contains SPF 25, that is great. but not great for pictures. Don't take pictures when you're wearing foundation that has SPF in, causes flashback, but great for day to day. Wow, it says it can be used safely after laser facials, post-surgery on scars, and even 3rd degree burns. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to try this out. And that retails at £50, actually £49.99, so it wants to be good for the price. So this is also £49.99, and this is their Oxygenating Hydro Matrix. I think it's a moisturiser. After cleansing, apply with clean fingertips. Yeah, it's a moisturiser. So it says this Pro Healing Complex is suitable for everyday use for all skin types, as unlike most moisturisers, Oxygenetix Oxygenating Hydro Matrix does not sit on top of the skin, depriving it of oxygen, instead forming a breathable second skin layer. Keravitae, I think that's how you pronounce that, a supercharged oxygen complex that promotes collagen cell production and connective tissue growth to promote youthful, firm and smooth skin. Wow, that sounds like it's just gonna transform my skin, and to be honest, I'm very excited about it. I'm so excited to try these products out. Oh, I've also got colour samples of one of their other liquid foundations. Next up from Typo, I have this makeup bag. This is a good size and I actually love the colour. I think it's so nice for spring and summertime. Next up I have this product, and it's called Heart of Gold Elixir, and it's got a lot of information about the founder of the brand. She is a woman called Tiffany Anderson, and it basically says that she survived a traumatic car accident at age 15 that nearly left her paralysed, and later learning that her body could no longer filter toxins after diagnosis of stage 4 non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, Tiffany began to drastically change her lifestyle. Focused on rebuilding her life, physically, emotionally and mentally, Tiffany began her search for ways to restore her health and beauty. That is intense. So it says that she's been a top Las Vegas medical esthetician and holistic health practitioner for more than 20 years. She discovered a jewel at the heart of skincare and developed the... It looks like it should be pronounced Gavi Gold, but it's actually pronounced Jave Gold. I wonder where she came up with the name. It does say here that it's pronounced Jave Gold, because I was like, Gavi Gold. So it says Tiffany began intensive research working closely with a highly respected biochemist and clinical pharmacist to develop a toxin-free, high-performing skincare line never used before in skincare. Wow, I'm so interested to try this out because I don't like using toxins on my skin. My skin is very sensitive and I am very careful about what I put on my skin. I have had a melanoma before, which I had to get removed, so yeah, I am just very conscious of what I'm putting into my body and on my skin. So this is the Heart of Gold Elixir. You use it morning and night time. It says that it helps with hydrating, brightening, and it plumps skin. This feels weighty. You can tell that it's expensive, and I love the packaging. It just looks and but it does contain purified 24 karat liquid gold. I mean, that is bougie, but I'm all about it. And it just says apply on clean, moist skin, so I'm very excited to try this out. As always, thank you so much to SNS and to all of the brands who contributed to this unboxing. I'm so excited to try all of these products out. Unboxing all of these is like Christmas. It's definitely made me feel better about my cold. I don't feel as sorry for myself anymore. Again, I'm so sorry about the lighting in this video, guys, but I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! There you go. Again, what are you doing?